Hey, welcome back to the den. Dave here. What do we have here? Well, the awesome folks at PureFire Tactical and I chatted, and well, this is what we have. Just stick around, we'll get right into it. And welcome back. So this is their survival kit, and in it, it's PVC with a cap. You have some fat wood, and it's a pretty nice looking piece of fat wood. It's got some magnesium falling out there. A couple strikers. It's always nice to have an extra one. And we are having magnesium on some duct tape. So, I guess, stuff that in there. I guess we're going to have to go outside and play with this. Because, you know, fire is fire. But, this is one of 3 items they carry. They carry this one. They carry a keychain model. And they carry a folding one. Oh, you want to see the folding one? Hold on. Ta-da! Alright, so this is their folding model. So, it comes with the same accoutrements. You got some fat wood, you got a striker, got a nice custom folder. Let's see if I can get this rubber band off without destroying my duct tape there. Oh, there goes, I'm losing everything. But, nice piece of fat wood, and just look at that. That is beautiful. Smells just like turpentine. Gotta love it. I mean, that is just... He sent some awesome fat wood with it. I mean, that's beautiful. And of course, you got a striker. And another one hiding inside that actually slides into a channel. Or, excuse me, the magnet right there. And it stays tucked under nice and neat. So you've always got a striker there. Well designed. Well, you could actually carry this in your pocket if you wanted. I'm just going to put it in my EDC kit. That way I've got one. And I'll make sure I leave the extra striker with it. Let's see what it fit on this side. There we go. Striker in there. This on top. And we'll put all this back together in a few minutes. So, I guess it's time we go outside and play with some magnesium. I got a lot of laying on the table here, so I'm going to get this cleaned up, and we'll see you guys outside. Hey guys, as you can see, we're back outside again, and here in a second I'll pan it around so you can see what we're next to today. It's been raining. Everything here is completely saturated, but we're going to do a PureFire Tactical show and tell. That's what we're outside for, so let's get busy. Alright, as you can see, I've got a few things set up here. I saved a little bit of time and made up some fat wood shavings and powder. So let's get down on the ground and we'll show you what magnesium and fat wood can do to wet wood. This is all wet. Some of it's punky, and I'm probably going to make a few ants very, very angry. And, just as a side note, focus in on it real quick. All the wood was processed with a very, very fancy knife. So let's get back down here and see if I can get my camera to do what I want it to do. And we'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and save a little bit of time here. I'm going to take and rig up my magnesium. Get it kind of in the center here. Throw a little extra on for good measure. Hang on to the bag for daddy, son. And oh, here's that knife. Give the dirt. But yeah, it was all processed. All the wood was processed with one of these. So even if you have a fancy knife like this, it'll still work. I did an excellent job. Yes, I know, sticking in the mud's not the nicest thing for it. So I have some fatwood shavings. And I also have some fatwood chips. So here's our PureFire Tactical Survival Kit. Go ahead and pop it open. I got one of my strikers. Pull those back up. And let's see what we get here. Alright guys, I'm back. I wasn't going to do it back here, but just to save time and energy and effort. As you can see, it's wet. It is raining here today. So we're going to take a little shavings that I've pre-shaved here. Gonna go ahead and a little extra won't hurt. We're going to take some fat wood, some chunks, put them on here as well. A couple nice resiny pieces up in here. That's why I like little containers. Makes it easy. All right, so we'll go ahead and grab a striker here. See if I can do this without disturbing everything. There we go. So as you can see, even with wet wood, a little magnesium, a little bit of fat wood, even in the rain, with this PureFire Tactical Survival Kit, you can make yourself a fire. So let's cut this out and we'll get back in the house. I'm going to take care of this fire real quick. See you in the house.
Some water.
Hey guys, welcome back. Dave here.
Charles here.
And did you have fun outside?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go over what we did. We took some magnesium. We made a bundle. We put it on some wet wood twice. And we made a fire twice. So does it work? Works great. This is by far the best magnesium I've ever used. That includes the stuff I had in the Army. Very easy to shave it. Comes off beautifully with a good 90-degree spine on your knife. You get nice little curls right off of this with no problem at all. Each kit, and there's 3 of them, 3 different kits, has your magnesium and strike ferro rod. It has fat wood. It has 2 strikers and a small bundle of magnesium and a piece of duct tape. It's not that hard to replicate the duct tape and stuff. I've done it twice now. So this one right here is 30. This kit right here is 30. This kit right here would be 25, and he has another kit, a smaller one, which is just basically your magnesium rod, ferro rod, strikers, fat wood, and bundle for 20. So there's something in everybody's price point. You got 20, 25, and 30. People over at PureFire Tactical are great people to talk to if you have any questions. If you have any questions, type them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. There will be links below to PureFire Tactical's shopping page so you can look right at the kits. Why didn't you go? You're gonna go over and get some? Well, go on. I'll wait. Waiting's hard. Oh, you're back? Okay. So, now that you've ordered some, now you're ready for wet yeah. Wow. I'm ready for everything. Anyway, now that you've got one, you're ready for just about any condition. I've got this in my EDC / get home bag. This goes in my food pouch. That way, with my food, I've got something to start a fire to make food. And then I have another similar kit, which just doesn't have the magnesium, but I've got some magnesium scrapings on a couple different rolls of duct tape, and with my get home or my bug out bag. Gotta love phone calls. Always interrupting at the most inopportune times. Anyway, what more can be said? Awesome kits, great customer service, affordable, and dare I say it, easy enough for a little one to use if need be. So get out there and start teaching your children how to do it too. Excuse me. A little too much coffee today. But if you're not teaching your children, this would be a great way to teach. Give them a dull knife, make sure it's dull. Teach them how to scrape. Teach them how to make spark. Start off with the simple stuff. That's what we're doing. The next one I'm going to try and do with him is we're going to try and make a shelter. And then I've got something coming and we're going to even try to do a bow drill. I'm not sure how well that's going to work out because I haven't done it myself in probably 35 years. But the knowledge is there, just don't know if the muscle memory's there. So we'll give that a shot and we'll take you guys along for the ride. So that's it for this video. Come back soon. Well, we always have another one in the pipeline. Take it easy. Hey, this is Dave. Thanks for watching to the end. If you like what you see, hit the little subscribe button that's going to be up here or down there. If you want to know when we release a new video, hit that little bell icon, click receive notifications, and that way you know when we release a new video. Again, thanks for watching to the end. I'm Dave.
I'm Charlie.
Remember, keep them loaded.
Keep it safe.
Peace.